Hello friends, today we are going to start unit number 6, Economics of Power Generation. Economics of Power Generation basically consists of two parts. One is calculation of monthly electricity bill and another is cost of generation. So calculation of monthly electricity bill is based on the energy consumed by that particular customer. So it is calculated by using simple formula, that is consumption of energy in particular month is equal to product of the quantity of appliances, its capacity in wattage, then number of working hours, and 30 days, that is days of a month. So by using this simple formula we get the monthly electricity bill or monthly consumption of a particular customer. By using this we can calculate electricity bill easily. You can better understand this how to calculate the monthly electricity bill while solving the numerical. Another parameter is cost of generation. Cost of generation is at the power plant end, means to generate the 1 unit or to generate the 1 kilowatt hour of energy, how much cost is incurred, how much cost is required, how much cost is necessary, that is called as cost of generation. So depends on that cost of generation and plus transmission cost, the consumer having the particular cost of unit. So based on the cost of generation, कंझ्युमर जो असेल, जो कस्टमर असेल त्याची कॉस्ट काय असेल, डिपेंड असेल. सो जनरली कॉस्ट ऑफ जनरेशन इज लेस दॅन दॅट ऑफ मंथली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ generation or cost of electrical energy is basically depends on two types of cost. One is called as fixed cost and another is called as operational cost. So fixed cost and operational cost. Fixed cost is also called as capital cost, as well as operational cost is also called as running cost. So fixed cost or capital cost involves following important parameters. One is interest on the investment, then depreciation, then taxes, insurance premium, and salaries of the management and staff. So interest on the investment, that means to invest or to construct the power plant, some money is borrowed from the some bank. So the interest on that capital, the interest on the borrowed money is nothing but interest on the investment. Then depreciation amount or depreciation cost. So depreciation amount or depreciation cost is nothing but the amount kept aside every year for the future, that is called as depreciation. Then taxes or government taxes, then insurance premium of the insurance, then salaries of management and clerical staff. All these parameters included into the capital cost or fixed cost. Then second is operational or running cost. Operational or running cost is basically consist of a consumable cost, that is cost of fuel, cost of lubricant, labor cost, then maintenance cost, then cost of spares. So these parameters are considered in under the operational or running cost. So cost of generation depends on fixed cost as well as on running cost. So here we have to understand what is meant by depreciation. Depreciation amount is nothing but certain amount kept aside every year from the income to replace the equipment at the end of its useful life. That means suppose समजा आपल्या घरी एक फ्रीज आणलेला आहे. आज जर फ्रीज आपण आणलेला असेल आणि समजा त्याची लाईफ जर 10 वर्ष असेल, तर त्या 10 वर्षानंतर आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, तो फ्रीज काय करावं लागेल, रिप्लेस करावा लागेल. आणि तो रिप्लेस करण्यासाठी काहीतरी कॉस्ट लागेल. समजा आज आपण फ्रीज जर आणलेला असेल 10,000 रुपयाला आणि 10 वर्षानंतर आपल्याला जर रिप्लेस करायचा असेल फ्रीज, तर रिप्लेस करताना जो नवीन फ्रीज घ्यायचा आहे त्याची कॉस्ट जर आपली असेल समजा 30,000 रुपये असेल, तर आपण काय करणार, आजपासूनच म्हणजे या वर्षापासूनच काय करणार, काही अमाऊंट काय करणार बाजूला ठेवणार. समजा आपल्याला 30,000 रुपये 10 वर्षानंतर जमवायचे असतील, तर आज आपण काय करणार, प्रत्येक वर्षाला 3-3 हजार जमवणार. म्हणजे 10 वर्षानंतर आपल्याकडे किती असेल अमाऊंट, 30,000 अमाऊंट असेल. आणि ती 30,000 अमाऊंट काय करणार, आपण जो ऑलरेडी आत्ता फ्रीज आपल्याकडे आहे तो रिप्लेस करण्यासाठी, नवीन फ्रीज घेण्यासाठी ती 30,000 अमाऊंट आपल्याला यूजफुल असेल. तर अशी जी अमाऊंट आपण बाजूला काढून ठेवतो प्रत्येक वर्षी, दॅट अमाऊंट इज कॉल्ड ॲज डिप्रिसिएशन cost. So to calculate this depreciation cost, we have 3 different methods. One is straight line method, then sinking fund method, and diminishing value method. So first method is straight line method. This is very simple method where depreciation amount A is calculated by using this formula. A is equal to P minus S upon Vn, where A is nothing but depreciation cost or depreciation amount. P is initial investment or initial cost or capital cost invested देन एस इज द सॅल्वेज व्हॅल्यू. एस इज द सॅल्वेज व्हॅल्यू. सॅल्वेज व्हॅल्यू मीन्स जसं मी एक्झाम्पल दिलं आता फ्रीजचं, तर 10 वर्षानंतर फ्रीज आपल्याला काहीतरी विकायचं आहे, तर त्या 10 वर्षानंतर त्याची जी कॉस्ट असेल, म्हणजे थोडक्यात भंगारमध्ये जर आपण एखादं इक्विपमेंट टाकणार असू त्याच्या युजफुल लाईफनंतर, तर ती जी कॉस्ट असेल दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज सॅल्वेज व्हॅल्यू अँड एन इज नंबर ऑफ इयर्स ऑर लाईफ ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर इक्विपमेंट. सो बाय युजिंग स्टेट लाईन मेथड ए इज इक्वल टू पी मायनस एस अपॉन एन या फॉर्म्युल्याने आपण काय करू शकतो, डिप्रिसिएशन कॉस्ट काढू शकतो. सेकंड मेथड इज sinking fund method. In this sinking fund method, the amount kept aside is increases with increasing the life. So amount kept aside is increases with increasing the number of years. So this can be calculated by using this formula in square bracket r upon bracket 1 plus r bracket raised to n minus 1 square bracket complete into another bracket p minus s, where P is known to you. P is initial cost or initial investment, S is salvage value, A is depreciation amount or depreciation cost, and R is nothing but rate of interest. To understand this sinking fund method, let us consider one simple example. The example is, consider one equipment having suppose we kept aside 100 rupees. Suppose आपण 100 rupees बाजूला काढून ठेवले and the rate of interest on that is 10%. सो फर्स्ट इयरला आपण काय केले, 100 रुपीज बाजूला काढून ठेवले, 100 रुपीज बाजूला काढून ठेवले. तर दुसऱ्या वर्षानंतर काय असेल, तर त्या 100 रुपीजवर आपल्याला काय मिळेल, 10% इंटरेस्ट मिळेल. सो 10% इंटरेस्ट 100 रुपीजवर म्हणजे किती झाला, 10 रुपये झाला. म्हणजे सेकंड इयरला आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, हे पहिले 100 रुपीज प्लस 10% इंटरेस्ट म्हणजे 10 रुपये, म्हणजे 110 रुपये आपल्याला बाजूला काढायचे आहेत. तसंच दुसऱ्या वर्षी काय करावं लागलं, आपल्याकडे आता 110 रुपये आहेत, त्याच्यावर 10% म्हणजे 11 रुपये, म्हणजे 110 प्लस 11 काय होईल, 121 रुपीज वी हॅव टू केप्ट असाइड अँड सो ऑन. सो दिस इज द सिंकिंग फंड मेथड. नाउ थर्ड मेथड इज डिमिनिशिंग व्हॅल्यू मेथड. In this diminishing value method, depreciation amount decreases as the life of plant increases. That means amount kept aside is decreases as the number of years increases. For example, suppose we are taking 10% amount kept aside for the first year. Suppose there is a primary investment or initial cost is of 10,000. एखाद्या इक्विपमेंटची इनिशियल कॉस्ट आहे समजा 10,000, 10,000 and 10% अमाऊंट इज केप्ट असाइड 10% ऑफ दिस प्रिन्सिपल अमाऊंट. म्हणजे प्रिन्सिपल अमाऊंट जेवढी आहे, म्हणजे 10,000च्या 10% अमाऊंट काय केली आपण पहिल्या वर्षी बाजूला काढून ठेवली. देन फॉर फर्स्ट इयर, सियर 10% of 10,000 means 10,000 into 10 divided by 100 we get 1,000 rupees. Means after first year we have to kept 1,000 aside. 1,000 rupees आपल्याला काय करावं लागतील, बाजूला ठेवावे लागतील. So balance amount is 10,000 minus 1,000 is equal to 9,000. So then again we have to, after second year we have to kept 10% of the amount, 10% of this balance amount. So 9,000 is balance, 9,000 into 10 divided by 100 is equal to 900. So after second year we have to keep 900 rupees aside. So balance amount is 9,000 minus this 900, 8,100. After third year again 10% of this 8,100, that means 810 rupees. So balance amount is 8,000 minus 100, 8,000 minus 100 minus 810. So this in diminishing value method, depreciation amount goes on decreasing as the number of years of plant, number of years increases, and this process goes on. So today we will complete this section. Thank you.